Hi guys, my name is Juan with FoxScout, and what I have here is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, and you may have heard about its crazy bezel display and its magnetic camera slider. So let's go ahead and take a look at this device to see if it lives up to its hype. The device I have here comes packed with 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and it costs about $600. There's 3 color options, which is the sapphire blue, jade green, and onyx black. So this device has a ceramic material backing along with aluminum built frame. The display features a 6.39-inch AMOLED screen by Samsung with Gorilla Glass protection. Its screen to body ratio is at a whopping 93.4%, and it's almost 100% bezel-less display, and that's pretty insane. Its display also features 403 pixels per inch, which is really important to deliver high quality display. And most new smartphone nowadays has around 300 ppi, and the top smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9 have over 500 ppi. So this device is in between those ranges. The front of the device is virtual all screen thanks to its magnetic slider. Just like that, and the magnetic slider feels really solid and snappy. It doesn't feel like it'll break anything, and Xiaomi even claims that after test sliding this for over 300,000 times, it still works like new. So opening the slider reveals the primary camera lens that has a 24 megapixels along with a 2 megapixel camera lens here used for portrait mode. And this here is a flashlight for taking selfies at night. And that's pretty cool because I haven't seen a flashlight at the front side of the phone before, because usually other smartphones brighten the screen as a flashlight when taking a selfie. Checking out the rear facing camera, the top lens is used for portrait mode and it has 12 megapixels. The bottom lens is a primary camera for taking normal photos and videos, and it also has 12 megapixels. And this here is the flashlight. On the right side of the phone, this is the power button, and this is the volume control button. At the top, this is the microphone. And at the left side, this is the SIM card slot, and this is the AI button. So this button launches the Google Assistant, and you can exit to do stuff like set reminders, find restaurants nearby, check on the weather, and much more. You can even tell to beatbox for you, which is pretty cool. Check it out. Beatbox for me.
My friend here can throw down some beats.
Getting back to the device, at the bottom, this is the microphone, there's a speaker right here, and this is the USB Type-C port. At the back of the device, it has a fingerprint unlocking feature, and I am absolutely impressed at how fast it unlocks the device. So just take a look at this. To unlock the phone, you don't even need to turn the phone on. You just simply put your finger on top of the fingerprint scanner, and if it successfully detected your fingerprint, then it will just turn the device on. Just like that. The device also supports wireless charging, and it's nice that the wireless charger comes with the phone. The charger pushes up to 10 watts of charging power to the device, in which Xiaomi claims that it will increase the charging efficiency by 30%. So taking a look at its software, the phone is powered by Android 9 Pie with the MIUI 10 skin. I just absolutely love the skin design theme than the regular Android theme. Its flat design is just perfect, and it also has a theme app pre-installed where you can select different theme designs. What's also cool is that there's an app called Mi Drop that allows you to send and receive files while internet connection, and if you're familiar with the iPhone, this is kinda similar to the AirDrop feature. This device comes packed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, which is currently the top tier processor from Qualcomm. Doing some gaming on this device, there's a tool called Game Speed Booster that will allow you to play high-end games without lag, and also switching between apps was effortless thanks to a 6GB of RAM. Testing out the camera app, there are features such as the normal photo mode, there's the portrait mode that makes the background blurry, there's the night mode for taking better photos at night, there's the square mode which is great for Instagram but it's not limited to just this platform, there's the panorama mode for capturing a wide field of view, and here is the manual mode where you can adjust the lighting, the focus, the shutter speed, the ISO, and also the lens type. So in this lens type, you can switch between the wide lens and the telephoto lens. Continue on, there's the mode for the video. There's the slow motion mode here. So in this mode, there are multiple frame per second options such as 120 FPS, 240 FPS, and a whopping 960 FPS. And at 960 FPS, there's this cool feature where after you finish videoing, there's this AI feature that will automatically choose a suitable background music for the slow motion video, and it's up to you if you want to turn it on, so check it out here. And lastly, there's a mode for short video which records a video for 10 seconds, but to me it's kinda useless. You also notice that this app automatically sets the beautify filter on your photos and videos. No wonder my skin looks so flawless. And you can turn this filter off by tapping on this wand icon and set off the filter right here. So yeah, there's tons of settings and tools in just this camera app alone, which is too much to be covered in this video. But if you're interested in purchasing this device, you can definitely look more into it. Another cool feature is that you have the option to remove these virtual buttons entirely to give you this full screen experience. Simply just go into the settings app, scroll down into the system and device section, find the full screen display option, and now you can see the options for the buttons or use the full screen gestures, which is similar to the iOS feature from the iPhone X series. Now you can see that when I swipe up quickly, it goes to the main screen, and swiping up and holding it will bring up the task manager. And when you're in an app like the web browser, to go back, just start from the left edge of the screen and swipe right, or start from the right edge of the screen and swipe left. You may also be wondering about how long the battery lasts. So this phone is powered by a 3200 mAh lithium ion battery. So with regular usage such as browsing social media, checking emails and other stuff, it can last up to 8 hours, which is pretty decent for a normal day, but it's certainly not the best. Compared to the OnePlus 6T phone, the OnePlus has an excellent battery life with up to 10 hours of regular usage. Charging up the phone, it was able to charge up to 50% of depleted battery in 30 minutes, which is pretty decent. So now that you get to see some of its cool features, the first pro is that with its notchless design, it presents a full edge-to-edge display experience. The second pro is with normal usage, you can expect a battery life of up to 8 hours, which is enough given you're not on the phone 24/7. The third pro is that the device performed really fast thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor along with 6GB of RAM. And the last pro is that the front side camera is excellent because of a snappy magnetic slider that hides the camera when not in use, and it's easily accessible when you need it. And this 24 megapixel selfie camera delivers excellent quality resolution, which is pretty impressive. The first con is that there is no headphone jack port, and to me it's just a matter of inconvenience because in my opinion I sometimes still like to use the regular wired earphones with standardized headphone jack. The second con is that there is no expandable storage. I understand that 128GB is already plenty of storage, but having that option while purchasing an extra adapter would be nice. The third con is that the slow motion mode is absolutely terrible. This is not that important to most of you guys, but for those who actually utilize this tool, I would advise you to just stay away from it. The image quality is blurry, and using this indoors is worse because the lights would just flicker. And the last con is that it's not water and dust resistant, so if you get some water in between that magnetic slider and the phone, it might downgrade the user experience. And there you have it guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. And of course, please smash that like button and share this video with your family and friends. And as most of you know, your subscription means a lot to me, so please show your support by subscribing now if you haven't yet, because you definitely don't want to miss out on new tech reviews, right? So again, thank you very much for watching, and see you guys next time.